700 exercise number 34. Ready? I want to talk for a little while this week about shorthand writing. First up, how many words a minute can you write at present? Question mark. How many words a minute would you like to be able to write? Question mark. Are you taking any steps to increase your present rate of writing? Question mark. I think that there are very few of us who do not feel that we would like to be able to write more quickly. Whether we can take down good shorthand notes at 50 words a minute or at 250 words a minute, there is always present a desire to add another 10, 20 or 50 words to our rate of writing. First up, I think also that it is probably true to say that very few people ever reach the highest rate at which they could write. First up, I believe that most writers could, with a little training and work, write more quickly. First up, a question often asked is what rate of writing is required to meet the needs of most office workers? Question mark. Often you will find that the answer given is to the effect that 80 words a minute will be good enough to carry the writer through most of his daily work. Full stop. But experience has shown that in many offices this is not the case, and I think that those of you who are at present writing at 50 or 80 words a minute should make up your minds that you will continue your training until you can write at 120 words a minute or over. First stop. If when you leave your day school you are able to write at 80, make up your minds to use a little of your free time each week in perfecting your knowledge of the system and in increasing your rate of writing. First stop. You will not find it a waste of time to do this. First up, the good situations in offices are given to those who can do better than the masses. First up, there is to the question of your finding happiness in your work. First up, if when you get out of bed each morning?